Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today's lesson is about variables in Python in 1 minute. A variable is like a container that stores a value. You can name the counter and put data in it. For example, here we are having the variables called name, age or height, and different values are assigned. So numbers, this is the integer, this is the float, and this is a string. So we can have a text being assigned to a variable called name. So in Python, we use the equal sign to assign a value to a variable. You see the equal sign is here. For example, we are having name equals Alice. This assigns the text Alice to the variable called name. Age equals 25 assigns the number 25 to the variable age. Once we assign the values, we can use the variable name in our code. So you see that I use the print function and I use the variable names here to print them. And when I run the code, we see them here in the output. Thank you for watching.